whatever else they want. Oh, hey!
Hey, we're in the middle of conversation.
Well, we decided to have a burping contest.
Yes, okay, so guys are like, I don't know, and
They're nothing compared to me. You haven't heard me belch.
Okay, so guys are always like, girls are like girly girl, blah, 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 stuff like that, and we're gonna burp.
They haven't met us.
Oh yeah, we
No.
they're probably gonna be really wimpy, but
yeah. If you catch me on a good day, it's like
we have Pepsi. We need Diet Dr. Pepper. Oh, you should have brought us the Diet Dr. Pepper.
Diet Dr. Pepper is my favorite pop. Okay, and we decided we were gonna drink like 4. Whoa, you don't understand. Belches like shaking house belches.
Oh, you should hear me when I have Diet Mountain Dew and I start doing like jumping jacks. I'm like,
Who does that?
I do.
Okay, well, now let's start.
We're gonna burp on command.
You can rate us if you want. Leave us a comment. Rate them.
I'm rating.
Remember, I'm Kristina.
I'm rating them. I'm Devann. Devann.
Kristina.
My name is Devann, spelled like Devann, but it's pronounced Devin.
That is again from our guy. Can I get your number? Can I have it? Oh.
Okay, first one without pop.
I win!
I had like a 0.2 and you're like 1.
It was a 1. Oh.
1 to 10 basis.
Yeah. Okay. With pop. Loser!
I just have my nose on the keyboard. We're so gross.
Hey, get in the screen with me. I'm gonna do a spit take here in about 2 seconds.
I just heard you gulping. That was a 6.
6, baby! Woo!
Why am I getting all these wimpy ones out? What the heck?
Sucks.
I am my father's daughter. I can do this. I feel it coming. I gotta jump around.
He needs to jump to.
I do. You make me laugh. I can't get my burps out.
That was pathetic. So basically, all these comments are gonna say Kristina burps better than Devann.
Oh, well, you know what? I bet they're all gonna be like, oh my gosh, you guys are freaks. Or that is so gross. I would never date a girl who burps.
Get over it.
I can't get it out.
We're gonna be famous someday, and you'll regret dissing us.
I want to be an actress.
I want to be an actress. We're gonna be in movies together. Okay, I'm gonna have to blow her out of the water so we can end this segment.
I've got it like in my chest. As soon as we turn off the camera, I'm gonna be like, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Ew, you're so gross. I just got smacked with a burp. You like sucker punched me with your fumes.
I'll give it a 2.
Okay,
Maybe a 3.
I can get this. Ready?
Ah! 4.
No, that was a 2.
It was like, clearly.
All it had was depth. It didn't have length. Or pop. Okay, rating scale 1 through 10. It has to have 4. Length, pop, and volume.
Volume is important.
We're nerds.
You'll only find a belching contest on the Kristina Devann show.
Oh yeah. That tastes of giggles. Kevin Jonas did like a really good burp with the Kids' Choice. I haven't seen it yet.
Love Kevin Jonas. I love Nick Jonas.
I like Kevin.
I love Nick Jonas.
Watch them like watch this and be like, oh my gosh, are you kidding me?
Yeah, girls that don't like, you know what? We're human.
Nick is gonna see this and he's gonna look. No, okay, Joe's gonna see this. He's gonna look at Nick and be like, you got that one. You got the smelly in your face burp.
Nick's a stud muffin. Because Kevin wants that.
Oh, man up, Kevin.
Yeah, I could be a lady for Nick Jonas. Do you want to look us in the eyes? Here, you can look us in the eyes.
I'm out of this one.
Look her in her eyes. She's just jealous of my blue eyes. She's so feminine.
Why am I bombing at this? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna edit with the Mondo humongous blow your brains out.
Yes!
Oh my gosh!
I've been waiting for that one for like 10 minutes. Beat that, Devann.
That was so gross.
We should wrap next week.
Oh my gosh, I still have a wrap. I'll post it on here. It's something like, yo, what's up?
Don't give it away. Don't give it away. Don't give it away. We're going to rap for you next week. We're going to write raps and we're going to rap them.
It involves 7-Eleven and deer and antlers and my dad and hunting.
Pretty cool.
Dang it. Wait.
She's not going to beat mine. Not gonna. Whatever.
Dang it! I laughed and it ran away!
It wasn't going to be bigger than mine anyway.
Oh, it so was. My burp could have eaten your burp.
Did you hear mine? I'm going to be the good person and end this segment.
Wait, I got it. I can get it. I promise I can get this burp out. I just gotta stop laughing. Let me think. Dying puppies, dying puppies.
Dying puppies? That helps you
That
burp.
doesn't work.
That makes you like cry.
You know what? Oh,
Dying puppies.
my English teacher talks about stabbing puppies in the head.
You have Abdel?
I have Abdel.
Me too. If you're watching this and you're not at Hayes yet or you're a freshman or something, Abdel. Best teacher and worst teacher. He's kind of a combined, yeah. This is us repping Delaware Hayes High School.
I can't burp without laughing. It interrupts the process.
She loses.